Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Kroger. We haven't been to Kroger in forever, but I had to come to Kroger this week because the deals are phenomenal. So you guys, you know how I do. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into these free grocery deals. So you guys may have heard by now because everybody has been talking about this brand new General Mills rebate that we have that is absolutely phenomenal. On this rebate, I will have a link for you in the description box. You can get $10 in cash back via PayPal or Venmo when you buy 5 participating General Mills items, or you can get $25 in cash when you buy 10. And you guys, this Progresso soup is one of the participating items. And guess what, you guys? We have a 99-cent digital coupon on this soup. So the soup is 99 cents. So when you buy 5, you can get back $10 in cash. You see what I'm putting down here? So that is already a $5 moneymaker, but I want to go for the 25. So I'm actually going to buy 10 participating products today. So let's make sure you clip your digital coupon to make this 99 cents because otherwise it'll ring out $2.49. And then we're also going to put 5 in our cart and find 5 more items that count towards this deal. So we got our 5 soups right here. If you wanted to stop right here, you could and make this a $5 moneymaker. But you know, in the game of extreme couponing, we go big or we go home. So we're going to go big today. So when you're thinking about additional items to complete your deal, you definitely don't have to get the items that I am going to get next. You can just mix and match based on the list, and always check the full list to make sure that whatever you pick up is included in the rebate. Betty Crocker cake mix is also included in this promotion, and the frosting is too, and these are on sale this week. So the frosting is $167. I'm going to get one of those, and we're also going to get a couple boxes of cake mix for $149. And then I'm also going to be grabbing some cinnamon toast crunch. I'm going to get 2 boxes for $1.99, and we have $1 off of 2 digital coupon. So we're going to grab 2 of these as the final 2 items in our deal. So all of these items are going to cost me $12.58 after coupons. Then I'm going to get back $25 in cash for picking up all 10 of these items. That is going to make all 10 of these items not only free, but a $12.42 moneymaker. I'm going to be grabbing 2 of these Safely Universal Cleaners. These should be super free if I've done my math right because they're $3.49, but we have $1.75 back on Kroger Cashback and $1.75 back on Ibata. So that should cover the full cost on 2 of these, and we get to try out this cleaner. So hopefully that all works well and we grab these for the free. Be on the lookout for this high value coupon that I spotted at Kroger today, and I definitely had to grab this up because these Hellman Mayos are on sale for $2.99. So we got $2 tear pad coupons in front of the product. These are $2.99. This makes 99-cent mayo. So this was not on my shopping list when I came in, but we definitely were not missing this deal. I was so happy when I saw this Artisano Bread was included in Mega. So these are $1.99 on Mega this week. These are my favorite buns and my favorite bread. If you have not tried these brioche buns, you have to try them. They are so good. So we're definitely going to be grabbing those along with some bread for $1.99. And then of course you want to check Fetch, since it's this Sara Lee, to see what you have available. If you have a baby or a grandbaby, you might be interested in this spend 50, save $15 baby sale. You can mix and match on baby items throughout the store. So a lot of different stuff is included. On the Huggies items, we do have some very high value Ibata rebate, so you might be able to put together a deal. I am not going to be doing this deal, but it could be a really good deal if you need it. I wanted to grab some of these 4-count bags of avocados because they're just 99 cents with the weekly digital, but they ain't looking right inside these bags. So I'm going to go ahead and leave them here, even for the 99 cents. So when I saw these signs, I thought that my store had taken the Duncan cold brew off of the mega event this week, because you know sometimes they do that. If something does really good the first week, they will take it off the second week, but this is still on mega. They just removed the mega signs for some reason, so these ring out for $6.79. There's a $1 off coupon on the box that does beep, just the FYI, but it is on the box, so my store put it in, and that makes these $5.79. So you want to buy 2 for $5.79. You submit over to Kroger Cashback for $2.50, submit over to Ibata for $4.25. It makes them free plus a 96-cent moneymaker. And if you don't have the coupons on your boxes, these are still only 4 cents. I want to try this Maxwell House iced latte with foam. So these are $9.99 regular price. That's pretty high, but they're on Mega for $4.99. And we have Kroger cash back for $1.50 and Ibata for $1.50, which should make this $1.99, which is an okay price for me to try this. Next up, we're going to grab a pack of this 4 Mega Roll Angel Soft, and thank you to Hood Rich Couponing for posting this morning on Instagram. So these are $3.99, and we have 2 digital coupons, a $2.49 store coupon, and a 50-cent digital that make this 4-pack just $1.99. Last week when I was at Kroger, I found these tear pad coupons for Green Giant frozen vegetables, and so I held on to those, and I've been using them this week at Publix and Kroger because they're on sale both places. But at Kroger, the vegetables are 10 for 10. So you want to grab at least the 8 ounce if you have this coupon, and that will make these just 50 cents a box for frozen vegetables. So I thought that was a really good deal, and I grabbed 3 boxes today. We have a $7.50 coupon, a digital coupon that says Axe, but it actually attaches to this Caress, but only this scent, this Black Orchard and Patchouli oil. I have already tried this scent and I like it a lot, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these. And thank you to Cotton Coupons on Instagram for posting that deal. Now let's grab this big tub of Finish Ultimate. I want to try this. I don't know if it's just new packaging or what, but I want to try this Ultimate. So these are $9.99. We got $6 back on Ibata. That makes it just $3.99. We also have a $1 printable coupon. All right, you guys. So this is everything that I'm grabbing at Kroger today. If I have done my math correctly, all of this, everything in this cart should be free plus a moneymaker today. Now, how much of a moneymaker? That is yet to be determined. I got to buy everything, get everything scanned in, get all of my rebates submitted. So I'm going to go and check out, and I'm going to go and do that, and then we will see how everything goes. And then most of the coupons that I'm going to be using today, as far as paper coupons, are ones that actually came from Kroger. So coupons that you can find around the store, but everything else is all digital or rebates. So let's see how this deal goes. So everything went really well with this transaction. I am very pleased with it. I only had one issue, or really 2 issues. First one is that a lot of my paper coupons went beep beep. The ones for the Green Giant vegetables and the ones for the Dunkin' coffee that I mentioned, those beeped at the register, but my store did put them in. And then also when I got outside, I realized that I didn't have the Finish on my receipt, and for some reason Cascade had rung up, and I was like, I didn't buy no Cascade, what is going on? And I thought, well, maybe since it's a new product, somebody typed it in wrong. But you guys, I had this random tag that was attached to the back. This is actually a price tag, like a shelf tag that was attached to the back of my Finish tabs, and this rang out instead of the Finish. So I had to go back and exchange this, and I had to pay $2.49 more. But after I did that, I was able to submit that over to get my $6 back for the Finish. So total that I spent out for both of my transactions was $49.84. We're getting back $25 for our General Mills rebate. I got back $22.60 already from Ibata, and then I'm getting back $10 from Kroger cash back. And I'm pretty confident that all of that will process because my Kroger cash back offers are now missing. So you know that's how Kroger cash back works. When you redeem the offer, they remove them from your list, and then it shows up the next day or so. So I think we're good to go there. That's going to make everything that I got today completely free, plus a $7.76 moneymaker. So yes, y'all, this is a beautiful cart for over $7 in profit. Kroger is on fire this week, so I hope you're able to make it by there. If you are, let me know what you will be picking up. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.